And speaking of money, I would think the internet is one of your big tools in terms of raising funds.
It is. It's about the only way we can do it right now. We're not holding big fundraising events. We don't hold these tens of thousands of dollar dinners that these guys, you know, do the American people, I think they are understanding this more. I hear a lot more concern about the role of corrupting money in our system of government now than I ever have before. I used to sit on the board of Common Cause here in Utah, and people would say in polls, yeah, we want to clean it up, but it was never a dispositive issue for them when they went in to vote. Now I think more and more people are really concerned about it. But these folks aren't giving tens and hundreds of thousands of dollars. Goldman Sachs, through its own PAC and through its employees, gave over $1 million to Barack Obama 4 years ago. And then we wonder, why then did he surround himself with all these Goldman Sachs and all their other Wall Street cronies? And then there's no prosecution for the massive Wall Street fraud? Chris, our government is bought and paid for, and we need to put it to an end. And this is one way to do it.